Most investors overlook SCHG, and that could be a mistake. In this short video, I'll break down what it is, how it works, how it's performed, and whether it truly belongs in your portfolio. Part 1. What is SCHG? SCHG stands for the Schwab U.S. Large Cap Growth ETF. It launched in 2009 and is managed by Charles Schwab. The goal of SCHG is simple. Track the performance of large U.S. companies with strong growth characteristics, such as rising revenues and earnings. It follows the Dow Jones U.S. Large Cap Growth Index, which focuses on established companies expected to grow faster than the overall market. Part 2. Key characteristics. This ETF trades under the ticker symbol SCHG and is a passive ETF, meaning it tracks an index rather than trying to beat it. It has over $50 billion in assets as of the making of this video, making it one of the largest growth ETFs available. SCHG holds roughly 250 large-cap growth companies, giving you diversification while staying focused on growth. Its expense ratio is just 0.04%, meaning you pay only 40 cents per year for every $1,000 invested, making it one of the cheapest growth ETFs. It also pays quarterly dividends, although the yield is low since the focus is growth, not income. Part 3. Top holdings. Some of SCHG's biggest holdings include companies such as Apple, Microsoft, Visa, Home Depot, NVIDIA, Alphabet, and Adobe. These companies are leaders in technology, digital services, and innovative growth sectors, driving much of the U.S. economy's expansion. Since SCHG is market cap weighted, the largest and fastest growing companies carry the most influence. With a single ETF, you're getting exposure to some of the most dominant growth leaders shaping the U.S. economy. Part 4. Performance. Since inception, SCHG has delivered an average annual return of about 16.78%, putting it among the top-performing growth ETFs over the long term. It can experience sharp swings during market pullbacks, especially when growth stocks fall out of favor. However, over time, its performance has rewarded investors who stayed consistent and focused on the long term. SCHG is built for growth investors, not short-term traders. Part 5. Why invest in SCHG? SCHG is designed for investors seeking long-term capital appreciation through high-quality U.S. growth companies. Without paying premium fees, it's often used in long-term portfolios, Roth IRAs, and brokerage accounts by investors focused on long-term compounding. Because of its low expense ratio and broad large-cap growth exposure, SCHG can be an efficient alternative to higher-cost growth ETFs while still capturing innovation, technology leadership, and long-term U.S. business expansion. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest $100 per week into SCHG for 30 years, and it averages 16.78% annually, as it's done since inception, you could end up with over $2.9 million. That's the power of consistency, compounding, and time. This is not financial advice. Comment which ETF you want next, and if this helped, like and subscribe.